Simple Cooking, Simple Cooking Channel. Get a large mixing bowl, put in about 2.5 to 2 3/4 cups of milk. Just warm it. So just want this milk to be nice and warm, like a snuggly bunny. Add about just under 1/2 cup of sugar. Then add 3 eggs and add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now whisk this until it's well combined. Now get some bases for tarts. You can make these if you want. If you want to make them, I'll probably do a video later, but to make this, just get 1.5 cups of plain flour, 1/3 cup of icing sugar mixture, 125 grams of butter, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 egg yolk, and that will make the base. But just for this, it's just as easy to buy them and do the awesome filling. So now we just get the filling and we pour it in there. Now get some ground nutmeg and just sprinkle a little bit on there, or however much you want. Now just pop this in the oven at 140 degrees Celsius. If it's a convection oven or fan force, that's about 280 degrees Fahrenheit. If it's not, 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Alrighty, there they are. Had them in the oven for about 40 minutes. Now they've just been sitting here for a while just to set. You want them to cool completely. Now once they've cooled like they have here, I've put a bit more nutmeg on, but I might put a little bit more. So we sprinkle a bit more on. That's entirely up to you if that's what you want to do. And then pop them in the fridge for a couple of hours so they're cold. And then eat. Oh yeah. Simple cooking, simple cooking.